Kosovo has a very strategic geographical location as an outsourcing destination, especially if we consider potential clients being in Europe or North America. To understand how Kosovo can better differentiate itself from neighboring countries in terms of comparative advantages for the outsourcing sector, it is important to explore some of the main competitors. Several Eastern European countries have already established their position on the map of attractive outsourcing destinations such as Poland, the Czech Republic, and Hungary. However, when it comes to comparing Kosovo, it seems more appropriate to use other Balkan countries as a benchmark. The Balkan countries include such as Romania, Bulgaria, Slovenia, and Serbia. One of the most notable organizations working in IT exports is STIKK. According to the studies done by various organizations, Kosovo has a great potential and export opportunities in 4 important areas. The very first one is software development, programming, and coding. The second one is engineering services, network, and system operations. The third one is business process outsourcing, and the fourth one is telemarketing and support centers. Outsourcing is also considered as one of the industries with investment potential by the American Chamber of Commerce in Kosovo. More specifically, they argue that Kosovo can be competitive in terms of outsourcing in IT, call centers, and shared services. There are various reasons for it, such as the availability of skilled labor as well as the high literacy of foreign languages. According to the study, the existing BPO service providers in Kosovo are successful. This shows the country is good for outsourcing destination where the foreign companies can lower their cost while maintaining a high quality of services. If the outsourcing sector in the country is developed and well established, it only depends on if the country is outsourcing friendly. Kosovo has a strategic outsourcing location. The population is young and skilled in foreign languages. There is a cultural affinity to the Western countries. Wages and income tax rates are relatively low and unemployment rates are high. The World Bank shows that there are no huge barriers when it comes to investing in this sector by third-party service providers, whether they are international or local investors. The biggest competitive advantage Kosovo has is the ability to speak foreign languages, particularly English and German, without a foreign accent. As opposed to their neighboring countries, specifically Serbia, Macedonia, or Albania, Kosovo seems to adopt quite a native accent when learning foreign languages. This is seen as an advantage when the job requires the use of verbal communication with clients. In addition to the provision of qualitative services at lower cost, the clients of the foreign companies will not detect if they are receiving customer services from somewhere in Kosovo or from their main office. As competitiveness rises in the private sector, more and more companies are trying to find ways through which they can lower their cost while still maximizing their profits. With the development of technology and the possibility of instant communication between people located in 2 different ends of the world, globalization's effects have become more prominent than ever. In the pursuit of remaining competitive in the market and maximizing profits, many companies in developed countries have turned to outsourcing as a business alternative. Now, when you think of outsourcing some of the functions to a reliable service partner in developing countries like Kosovo, here are a few important steps that you need to consider. The step 1 is define a goal. Clearly define what you want to achieve out of outsourcing relationship. The desired benefits of outsourcing typically include freeing up management time to focus on core competencies, adding capacity or specialized skills to your business, increasing efficiency, managing fluctuations in workflows, and lowering cost. Therefore, clearly defining the scope of tasks to be outsourced and their intended benefits is extremely critical. The second step is ensure good communication and client management practices. Communication can make or break your outsourced relationship. Therefore, understanding your partner's communication practices is critical. Step 3 is assess financial stability. It is usually important in the case of large relationships where it is important to make sure that your partner has sufficient working capital and is financially secure. Cases where a complete business function is being outsourced also merit an in-depth risk assessment of vendor's business and financial health. It's also important to check the vendor's ability to develop and deliver the services in question. Now, if you're considering outsourcing for your business, I recommend considering Apex Service Solutions for your business. This company is located in Kosovo and specialized in business process management. The company is owned by experienced professionals in the range of industries. Apex provides a blend of functional expertise and process capabilities. Their solution helps you to maintain stability and competitive advantage in the volatile market. If you want to watch more videos about outsourcing and offshoring, then make sure to click here on this link. In this video, I will take your leave and I will see you in the next one.